guys, I'm Shritu and I'll be taking you through a tutorial video on how to use H&M and its various features. So as you can see, H&M has various clothing and products that are divided clearly into neat categories of women, men, divided, kids, H&M home, sale, sustainability. So for example, if I'm a woman and I want to check out some products and services or clothes, then I click on the women's button and I go through the prices and the various goods that I want. So these are the soft and cozy. So even within any sort of category, there are various subcategories that help you navigate through many of their clothing. So for example, let's say I want this, so I'll add it to my cart, and I can choose the size. Suppose if I'm say large, then I click on the large size. I can also click on the extra large size. That's not a problem. Okay, so as we go through this, next is, suppose for example, so there are many other categories, like, so a huge list of categories. So for example, let's say I want maternity wear. So these are the various sub clothing that is on display here. Now we can go to the kids sale also. So they have a huge selection of categories that are divided according to their age, because as we all know, the sizes of kids tend to differ a lot, even within the range of 2 years difference. So for example, let's say I want to go for boys 1.5 to 10 years. So there are various subcategories here again. So for example, let's say I want tops and t-shirts. So these are the various goods and clothing that are being displayed here. So what H&M is doing is it's allowing me to buy 5 jersey tops at the rate of 18 euros. Okay. So let's say I want to buy this, for example. So I'll click on the add button. So to select the size, I can click based on how old my son is. For example, if I want to select for 4 to 6 years, I'll click on that. I've added it to my cart. Okay. So, and also if you also want to buy any furniture products, then you can click on the H&M home. And if you want to avail any discounts or offers to get the products that you want, then you can click on the sale button. And sustainability is their recent line of sustainable clothing, which can help navigate through many of the complexities and that are involved in supply chains. And this is the chat bot button, which is a virtual assistant to help you get fast delivery and fast delivery of any queries or service of any queries or doubts that you have. Yeah. Okay. So if you want to get any customer service, you click here, and there are various informations that are available here to help you navigate through many of the services and inter-user interface, which are very confusing for any user. So let's say I want to click on transportation restrictions. Or if I want to find out about let's say the coronavirus pandemic, which is wrecking lives all over the earth right now. These are the various informations that ensure customers are safe from getting infected. say a store locator. So for this you have to turn off your GPS to find out where any nearby stores are. So now let's click on this button. So these are the various vouchers and products that you can avail. Okay. So now let's try to check out. So if you have any discount back, if you have any discount code, then you can apply your discount code here to avail discounts. So these are the various these are the goods that I want to buy. So and now their delivery is free. So let's continue to check out. Okay, that's it. Thank you for listening.